What's the meaning of copious? Copious. Copious.
Copious. Copious. The word copious refers to an abundant or plentiful amount of something. It is often used to describe a large quantity of something that exceeds what is necessary or expected. For example, if someone says they have a copious amount of books, it means they have a very large collection of books. In general, the word copious implies an excess of something, whether it be words, ideas, or physical items. It can also suggest a sense of extravagance or luxury in the abundance of something. Overall, copious is a word that conveys an overwhelming quantity of something, and is often used to emphasize the sheer magnitude of whatever is being described.